everybody, it's Sherry with Pallet to Pallet. I am doing this video today to go over our Inlay Flag. That is a laser file available on my Etsy shop. You can also buy the blanks from me or the finished product, but this is the tutorial on how to put it together. If you are a laser person, and this will help you if you're purchasing the file. If you're purchasing the blanks, this will also help you. So let me go to the overhead. What I did was I pre-painted a few things, and this is going to help you tremendously. So I took the rectangle and put it on the backing of the flag and just did a little outline, and then I painted inside of that white. You can paint this whole thing white if you want to, because the rest of it's going to be covered up, but you don't need to. And then you've got some long and short stripes here, and the flag starts with red and ends with red. Okay, so you need 7 for the flag and 6 for, you need 7 for the red and 6 for the white. So you need 4 of the short ones and 3 of the long ones for the flag of the red. And of the white, you need 3 and 3. Okay, so the flag is the one that gets the red is the one that gets the extra short one. And then it all just lays in. I'm going to leave my border just the plain. Oh, I see that I have to come in and paint a little bit more right here. I didn't quite paint enough, but actually, I guess I did do it okay. So it's all white on the inside. And then you just lay the pieces in there. I'm not going to glue it all while we're here, but you just lay the pieces in. And glue it all down. And so it's, I'm going to leave the frame piece on mine, this natural wood, and then I'm just inlaying the rest. And that's it. There's our Inlay flag. This is, how big is this guy? Hold on, let me get my tape measure, wheel my chair over. This guy is 17.5 by 10. Okay? And that's the finished product. Have a great day.